just got my lemonade. I came out and look who's watching, huh? Came back, got his perch. I've confused him with the old back and forth. You see, these birds, now where's the other one? He'll be around here somewhere. They got this whole place covered for sure. Where's the other one? Hey, doggy. Yeah, now he's gone, see? They're not stupid. They hear really well, and some of them, the older ones, can probably understand simple English. And I was using simple English very well within their understanding, and they know that I have a kind of species loyalty to my own species over there, as though they are my friends, and they consider themselves my friends. I've never been shat upon, to use the proper phrasing, and they usually keep my car clean as a whistle if it's out. But some of my friends, so-called friends, who are still in the asshole category, have another type of experience. You see, rhythm, that is a melodic rhythm, a predictable rhythm, one that appeals to the sense of beauty. That's what they're into, you see. They fly that way, these melodious clouds of pressure and air that they float on. Their music fits their environment as ours does. Jazz is the street lights and the cars and the noise. The melodies of Chopin and so on, all the pastoral, relaxed side of life before technology took hold, and so on. The environment. The music fits itself for the environment. Ask yourself, is rap an art? Well, that's not as important as asking the question is what does rap tell us about the environment that produces it? Well, I just thought I'd get back because I saw that bird. I haven't given them names, except they could be Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, as far as I'm concerned. Hey, doggy. A couple of good names, but to me, they are eternal.